In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in 1Password. Whether you're looking to navigate the platform in another language or tailor the interface to your language preference, adjusting these settings is simple and straightforward. Let's dive in and guide you through this process. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the 1Password dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for your 1Password homepage. Once you've reached the dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's been a while since your last visit. The dashboard is your central hub for managing all aspects of your 1Password account, including language settings. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you will see your profile, typically represented by either your name or an icon. Click on this profile area. This action brings up a drop-down menu that provides access to various account management features, a critical step in the process of changing your settings. From the drop-down menu, look for the option that says Manage Account. Click on Manage Account, which will lead you to another page dedicated to managing deeper aspects of your account. This page offers a range of settings and preferences that you can adjust to better suit your needs. While on the Manage Account page, you'll find a section labeled More Actions. You'll want to click here next. This section is where additional settings are nestled, including the option to modify your language settings. By selecting More Actions, you'll uncover more customizable aspects of your interface. Within the More Actions section, find and select the Change Language option. This step is crucial because it is where you will switch the language to your desired choice. The Change Language option allows you to toggle between various languages offered by 1Password. It's an excellent feature for bilingual users or those who might be learning a new language and wish to immerse themselves further. Once you've selected Change Language, a list of available languages will appear. Go through the list and choose the language you prefer. This stage is where you can personalize your 1Password experience fully. After selecting the language, your interface will automatically adjust to reflect your choice, making your browsing smoother and more intuitive in your native or chosen language. And there you have it, a simple path to changing the language settings in 1Password. I hope this guide helps you feel more at ease and in control of your 1Password environment, whether you're adjusting settings for convenience, accessibility, or personal preference. Thanks for watching and enjoy the new multilingual freedom within your 1Password account.